about why it's important to put in your money.
I always get my clothes from the cemetery.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Carlos Gutierrez.
Michael Pope.
Michael Pope.
How are you, Mike?
Good, mate. Good. How are you?
Well, you know, Michael lives in Granada. He's from Australia. And today we're going to talk about why it's so important to invest in your colonial homes when you buy it.
Well, it's really about maintenance, where you want to live and how you want to keep that place the way you bought it. Keep it peaceful, keep harmonious of it.
Exactly.
You know, and also maintain it. You know, so you can actually have an investment to sell later, and also you can rent it if you want to or you need to.
Well, rentals. That's exactly what we're going to talk today about, guys. When rental market is being just booming and growing and growing, in any situation, the market always show you that people demand a place to go.
Yeah.
So basically, guys, today we're taking a cup of coffee in Garden Cafe. Muy bueno. So guys, stay tuned. We're gonna go and take a look to a house after we have an excellent breakfast here. Okay, guys. Okay, Michael. The breakfast was excellent.
Yeah, it was great.
It was great, guys. We are in Garden Cafe. Definitely a place you have to visit when you are in Granada. So, well, we're gonna go and take a look to a house that one of my friends said to me, Carlos, check it out. I want to put it on the market, but he did some renovations. So I would like to ask Pope to go with me and check this place out and understand what you need to do in order to be able to rent a house or flip it when you're ready to flip it and the market let you do it. So let's go and check it out.
Yeah, great. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, this is with,
Okay.
Okay. So Michael, so one of the things is, like you said, so important when people make a renovations in the house. You just said space, layout, how many rooms, swimming pool, gardens. So that's all elements that people always need to keep in mind when you do a renovation project, correct? So what do you think about this place? I love it because the sala and the living rooms and the kitchens is all integrated. You also have the same type of concept when you do a house, you do a new renovations in Granada, do you?
Yeah, you have to stay true to the colonial theme. But people usually come to Granada to live and stay in a colonial home and get a feel of it.
Yeah.
So really, you have to get the elements of a colonial home, which is security, light, air, and the harmony of a few elements put together very, very wisely. Like the timber, the garden, the concrete, and the access, and the way the house flows are all very important. And really, you have to ask yourself the simple question: what I like.
That's right. So guys, here we go. I mean, we are here in the house close to the center. And Michael Pope was telling me how important it is to preserve the basic element of a colonial features. It's like this house. I like it because I can tell he's using a lot of elements, local elements, like the brown color of the wood, the tiles, the very open kitchen, close to the bath, to the swimming pool. And also I like the idea to be walking very close to the dining area and the television area. So when you came here the first time to rent a house in Granada, you were looking for different websites to start renting?
Yes.
What was your first choice, a hotel or a house?
A house, I like my own privacy, and I like to be able to cook for myself sometimes and go out some of the time as well. So a house gives you the freedom of being able to relax a lot more. You can throw your clothes on the floor if you want to.
True.
You can go for a swim. And these colonial homes very much cater for that. If you rent a colonial home, you can really enter your home and you can be in your own world, in your own privacy.
I'm glad you're saying that because, guys, basically when you come to Nicaragua or when you go to any place to put your money in, you consider always, like Michael said, I'm going to live in that house. That's the first question you have to do. And obviously you need to talk to somebody who understands layout and everything. So when you're talking about rental incomes, my experience, based on many houses that we have in the company that we do management, I realized that people always select a house. Privacy is important. Open space like this place is important. A decent swimming pool size. People want to cool off. People want to relax. They don't want to share, like in a hotel room, somebody bothering you all the time, knocking the door. No, you just want to walk in, close the door, put the TV, work on your computer, have a nice kitchen space like this island and do your cooking if you like to cook. You know, I think that's are the basic things you always need to keep in mind when you are saying, okay, I buy a property in Granada, I'm walking distance from the plaza, but my customers, my friends gonna enjoy because I have what they're looking for: privacy, you know, safety, swimming pool, and a good internet service. That's important. Well, guys, thank you, Michael, for helping me with this, guys. If you want to know more about these new listings, I'm gonna put the link in my website very soon. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Send me all the questions. If you're looking at a place to rent or looking at a place to buy, just send me your email. I'm gonna be very happy to help you with this. So be aware, this new listing is gonna be in the market now, and I'm gonna put the link there. So don't forget, connect to me. Michael, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, good eye.
No worries.
Good eye, no worries. Bye-bye.